What's up? Reno, reporting live from the dorm. We're in college. I moved in. Listen, bro, let's just get right into it. I know it's been a minute since I posted. I'm sorry. the the YouTube schedule, all right? I'm sorry. But listen, bro. It is the first day of October. When I'm recording this, it's actually the second day, but I meant to post this yesterday. All right. It's the beginning of October. I want to use this month for you guys to start setting goals every single month. You guys need to start setting goals every single month. All right. And I figure it's the start of the month. Let me make a video and kind of break that down. So, you guys, what you need to do, what I think everybody should do, if you're trying to accomplish something, the main way you're going to accomplish it is setting goals and setting time restraints for those goals, like deadlines. All right. So for me, what I do is I come up with 3 goals for the month of October or whatever month it is. Right? 3 goals, very ambitious. I try to make the goals bigger than myself. And what I mean by that is I try to make it something that I'm almost like, damn, can I actually do that? If I make a goal and I'm like, oh, I could definitely do that, then it's like an okay goal. But if I make a goal where I'm like, I don't know if I can really make that happen, that's a good goal. That's a really good goal. Because then you have to push yourself, you have to become something greater than yourself to make something greater than yourself happen. So you can have one goal that's like, okay, I can definitely do this, but I think at least 2 of them should be goals that are greater than yourself. All right. Like, it could be a certain amount of money you want to make this month, or it could be like, I really want to get this thing done that I've been putting off. Don't make them easy. Don't make them easy. The harder, the better. The more ambitious, the better. And try to make them honorable too. Something that's not just going to help you, something that's going to help other people. But, you can't do that every single time. So if you can fit that in, fit that in. But yeah, I mean, it's really very simple. Make goals every single month. You should be making goals for the month. Every week, you should make goals for the week. Every day, you make goals for the day. Have a to-do list for every single day. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to let you guys know, give you some kind of a stimulus, and tell you should be making goals. And I'm also here to tell you, if you're not making goals for the month, you just don't want whatever you want bad enough. Like, where's the passion? Like, what are you doing? If you're not making goals for the month, what are you doing in that month? Really, you're kind of just going like along with whatever's happening. You're going with the flow. Like, how are you gonna get shit done? How are you really gonna make shit happen? So goals are super important. Making sure that you're on point at all times is very important, and setting goals is a very good way to allow you to do that. And make sure that every day, all right, these are my goals for the month. Okay, let me make my to-do list for the day. Okay, everything that I'm doing today, how is that helping me towards my monthly goal? Right? All right, so you see, I don't even have to explain it anymore. You understand goals are dumb important. If you're not doing it, you just ain't gonna get the shit that you want. Why wouldn't you do it? It's so easy. Sit down for 10 minutes, maybe meditate, maybe pray, whatever works for you. Come up with the goals, all right? Try 3 goals. It could be more, it could be 4, it could be 2. But 3 is a good number. And just come up with them, get that shit rolling. Maybe find a friend that you can hold each other accountable and be like, yo, these are the goals I want to accomplish this month. Can you help me with these, or can you pray for me for these? And what goals do you want to accomplish this month? And then y'all help each other like that. That's called a mastermind group, all right? That's extremely important. You have to have people holding you accountable. Think about school. In school, you rarely miss a deadline. All right, obviously, some people, that's different. But in school, you rarely miss a deadline because, you're paying money to go to that school, depending where you are. And if you don't, it's like going to be on your permanent record. You're going to get an F. Or like you're going to disappoint your teacher. There's all these things holding you accountable in school. All right? You need to find a way to make that the truth in your life, especially if you're someone that owns your own business. When you work for a boss, you have someone constantly holding you accountable. When you work for yourself, you have to hold yourself accountable, and you have to find other people who can help you hold yourself accountable and who can hold you accountable. All right. But I digress. Set your goals for this month, set them for the week, set them for each day. Come up with your to-do lists. Really figure out what you want in life. And if this is too hard for you, if you really can't figure out goals, then you need to start somewhere smaller and kind of figure out what is your purpose in life and what do you want to do in life. So start wherever you start, take this wherever it fits in your life, and that's pretty much it. It was good to catch up with y'all. I'm going to try to make a lot more videos, so if you have any ideas for videos, just leave it in the comments. Let me know what's going on with y'all. If y'all have any issues or anything happening, just hit me up. I can try to explain it, preferably in the comments though, so that other people can build off of it and we can start a conversation. And that's pretty much it. Y'all have a great day, and hopefully, I'll see y'all soon. All right, peace.